once again, I'll say good evening, everybody. My name is Rasquami, Capital Extra. You know how we do it. Are there any Capital Extra fans in the house? Make some noise. Wow. And gentlemen too, I want you to give it up right now for the mighty Kevin Little. Yeah.
So now, DJ, give them 3 seconds.